Moi kaikki! Tänään we will discuss a song that I got many requests to cover. And of course that song is Cha 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 by Käärijä, which has taken the world by storm. I did do the chorus already in my Uuden musiikin kilpailu song translation video, so maybe you've seen part of it, but I did get so many private messages asking me to do the full song that here we are. As a brief intro, I just wanted to let you know who Käärijä is if you happen to have not heard about him yet. So he is a Finnish rapper who has recently become very famous in Finland and also worldwide because he was this year's Eurovision representative for Finland and got second place in the song contest, which we've only won Eurovision once before. So we were very, very, very close to winning. So yeah, he has become very popular in Finland right now. His real name is Jere Pöyhönen. He's 29 years old and he lives in Vantaa, so we love that. But yeah, let's move on to the song. The first verse starts off by saying rankka viikko ja paljon pitkiä päiviä takana. So rankka viikko means tough week, like a hard week. It's been a hard, stressful, tough, it's been a rough week, basically. Rough week and ja paljon, a lot, pitkiä päiviä. So pitkiä is puhekieli for pitkiä, meaning long. Päiviä is päivä in plural. So lots of long days. Takan is, again in Finnish, Finnish likes to chop off the end of words when we're speaking. So a lot of the times song lyrics will also be sung in what's called puhekieli, so spoken Finnish. So the ends of words will be chopped off to make them shorter because Finnish people are lazy to say the full word. So takan is takana, meaning behind. So rough week and lots of long days behind, like behind me. So he's had a long week. The next sentence he sings is mielenkiintona. So if something is mielenkiintona, it means you're interested by it. I'm interested. Pina colada, same in English. Ja and rata. So rata, I wasn't 100% familiar with this phrase, but I did look it up, and basically rata means nightlife in a city. So this translates to yöelämä, nightlife. So bars, nightclubs, nightlife in general. If you're going radalle, it means you're going out to the nightlife in your city. So mielenkiintona, I have interest in a pina colada and going out, basically. Then it says, ilta on vielä nuori ja aikaa kumota. So ilta is night. Ilta on vielä is still, nuori, young. The night's still young, and aikaa, time. Aika is time, so I have time. Kumota, I think it means to like, in this context, I think kumota kind of means to throw back a few glasses, so I guess drinking. So there's still time to, the night is still young and there's time to drink. Then he says tää, which is short for tämä, this. Jäinen means icy. Ulkokuori. Ulko is outer, outside. Kuori is shell. So this icy outer shell, on is aika, time, tuhota, to destroy something. So there's still time to destroy this icy exterior or this icy outer shell. Then we move on to the chorus. So he says, pidän kaksin käsin kiinni juomista niinku. So pidän, I hold on. Kaksin, käsin is with two hands. Kaksi, two. Käsi is a hand. Käsin with two hands. Kiinni, hold on, I guess. So I'm holding on with two hands. Juomista, drinks, plural. Niinku is filler word like, translates to like. I'm holding on with two hands. I'm holding on to my drinks with two hands like cha 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 cha. Ei, no. En mieti huomista. I'm not thinking about tomorrow. Huomenna is tomorrow. Huomista of tomorrow. Ku is short for kun. When. Tartun, I grab on. Tuopista is like a pint, a large drinking glass. So basically a pint, right? Niinku, like. I'm not thinking about tomorrow when I grab on to the pint like cha 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 cha. Haluun olla sekaisin ja vapaa huolista, niinku. So haluun is haluan, olla to be, sekaisin. So sekaisin is to be out of your mind, crazy. Ja vapaa, vapaa is free. So I want to be crazy and free huolista. So a huoli is a worry. The STA means free from worries. So I want to be crazy and free from my worries like niinku cha 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 cha. Ja mä jatkan kunnes en enää pysy tuolissa niinku. So ja mä and I. Mä is short for minä, I. Jatkan, to continue. So jatka is to continue. The N at the end refers to I'm doing. I will continue. Kunnes, until. En enää, I can't anymore. Pysy, stay. Tuolissa, tuoli is chair. The SSA is meaning in the chair. So I'm gonna continue until I can't anymore stay in my chair or stay in the chair, niinku, like. Then we move on to the next verse. So muutama means a few. Muutama pina colada, so on jo takana, are jo already takana, behind. So a few pina coladas are already behind. Silti, still. Mul is short for mulla, which is also short for minulla, I have. So still, I have. Vielä is again kind of translating to still as well, but still, I still have. It makes sense in Finnish. It sounds a bit weird when I'm saying this in English, but naamataulu. I'm not super familiar with this word, but it means face. So naama is a face and taulu is a painting. So naamataulu would, I guess, be like a slang word for kasvot, which means your face. Vakava means serious. So still I have this serious face. Even though he's drank a few pina coladas already, his face is still serious. The next line is ilta on vielä nuori ja aikaa kumota. Oh, this is the same thing again. So the night is still young and there's time to drink more, I guess. Tää jäinen ulkokuori on aika tuhota. This icy exterior, it's time to destroy that. Parketti kutsuu mua, kun en oo enää lukossa. So parketti is like a fake wooden floor. Basically, he's meaning like the dance floor, I guess, or like the floor in general. Kutsuu is calls, is calling. Mua, minua, me. Ku en oo enää lukossa. Ku, when, en oo enää, when I'm not anymore, lukossa. When I'm not. Lukossa literally translates to locked, but I think it's more like when I'm not anymore frozen, since he's serious and the floor is inviting him when he's not so like frozen in place, so like locked into his seriousness. Yeah, so niinku cha cha cha, mä oon tulossa, minä olen tulossa is the kirjakieli. So mä oon, I am, tulossa, coming, I'm coming. And then we go to the chorus again. Pidän kaksin käsin kiinni juomista, niinku. I'm holding on with two hands to my drinks like. I'm not thinking about tomorrow when I grab onto the pint like. I want to be crazy and free from my worries like. And I continue until I can't stay in the chair anymore like. Bo! It's just like an O. It doesn't mean anything. Nyt lähden tanssimaan. Nyt, now, lähden. I will go. Tanssimaan, to dance. So now I'm gonna go dance. Niinku cha-cha-cha, like cha-cha-cha. Enkä pelkääkään tätä maailmaa. Enkä, and I'm not, and I don't. Pelkääkään. So pelätä is to be afraid of something. So, and I'm not anymore afraid at this maailmaa, of this world. So, and pelkääkään, the way the form it's in, it kind of, the connotation here is like I'm not anymore actually afraid of this world. Niinku cha-cha-cha, like cha-cha-cha. Kun mä kaadan päälleni champagnea, when I kaadan, so kaata is to pour, so kaadan päälleni, when I pour onto myself, when I pour on myself, champagnea, champagne, when I pour on me champagne, cha-cha-cha, toinen silmä jo karastaa, so toinen silmä, my other eye, or the other eye, jo already. Karastus, I guess, would be when your eyes are kind of like unfocused, they're focused on different things. I guess your eyes are just kind of glazed, looking at different, I guess he's just very drunk here, is what it amounts to. So my other eye is already kind of unfocused and like not aligned with the other one. Ja puhe sammaltaa, and puhe is speech. Sammaltaa, if your puhe sammaltaa, so if your speech sammaltaa, it means your speech is kind of unclear, slurred, you're not kind of speaking so well and clearly. So yeah, he's drunk here, so when you're drunk you slur and your speech is a bit messy, so that's what it's referring to. And you're, yeah, ja puhe sammaltaa, kun tää toinen puoli must vallan saa. Kun tämä, when this, toinen puoli, other side, must, of me, must, it's short for musta, not black in this case, but of me. Vallan takes over or gets overpowered, saa, gets. So, ja puhe sammalta, and my speech gets unclear, slurred, when this other side of me takes over or takes control. Cha-cha-cha. En oo arkena tää mies laisinkaan, en oo. En oo arkena. En ole. I'm not. Arkena. So arki is weekday. So when he says en oo arkena, I'm not on weekdays. Tää mies, so tämä mies, this man, laisinkaan, at all. So he's saying, I'm not this man during the weekdays at all. En oo. En ole. I'm not. Mut tänään on se mies. Tänään on se mies. Did I say that right? Mut tänään on se mies. Tänään on se mies. Mut tänään, mutta tänään. But today, on, olen, I am, se mies. That man. Tänään, today, on se mies. I'm that man. And then, again, nyt lähden tanssimaan. I go dance. Niinku cha-cha-cha, like cha-cha-cha. And I'm actually not scared of this world. Like cha-cha-cha when I pour champagne on me. And then cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha until the end. So that is Käärijä's cha-cha-cha song. It's a very feel-good song. It gets stuck in your head. And yeah, basically their lyrics are about being quite, having had a hard week, you want to just go out, have some fun, shed your seriousness and your icy outer shell, and just go crazy and pour champagne on yourself and dance. So that is the song. Hopefully you enjoyed this lyric translation video. Kiitos todella paljon ja nähdään taas ensi videossa. Moikka!